Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
God forbid. I won't do such. I'd rather be a pauper.
You're so honest. I just like you.
Thank you, ma'am. I will never in my entire life. I love Asiwaju, and I'm speaking about myself. I love him. I might vote for him because I love him. I've not decided. I'm just saying it. And because of the things he has done for my industry.
Yeah. What's your choice? You can choose.
No, I'm just telling you. So, but I'm not going to use my own
influence.
No, yes, I'm not going to use. I feel. I'm not going to use my own maybe selfish interests to lead others. He has
been another 5.
He has been a wonderful man to my industry. He has been there for people. Even when we had nothing, he has been there for my industry. So I am speaking from my own, from Toyin Abraham, Dada Abraham, Ajayemi's perspective. I am not speaking for others.
Yeah.
Do you understand? He's a good man.
Right,
but my tongue will speak for me. Right. But you guys should stop. Let people be free to choose whoever they want to choose. Choose your own candidate. Let someone else choose their own candidates. You don't have to push another candidate. You don't have to push it down my throat. No. So choose your candidates and I'll choose my candidates.
Let me take a bus.